amore. We're starting off with a dark brow gel and we're filling these brows in. This look is fierce and all about embracing your dark feminine power. Think Victoria Gotti and Big Ange. Now we're going for a cream shade and we're blending that into our eyes, which you will see later will make the darker shades really pop. Now we'll go for a blue-gray color and we're blending that into our eyes. Remember that when we're applying colors, go from the lightest to darkest to build that color. Now we'll get a dark gray and this will really make our eyes pop. Now we'll go back to the cream and we'll put that only on our lids. Then we'll grab our favorite mascara and we'll put that all on our eyes, focusing on bringing our natural lashes out. For eyeliner, make sure it's the blackest black, as this is truly a smoky classic eye. And then we'll bring our wing and we'll make sure to bring it all the way out, almost to the end of our eyebrows. Now for my favorite, lashes. We're grabbing our wispiest set and we're placing them on top of our lash using a nail stick, and then we'll just wait for them to dry. I love the way a good dark shadow looks on brown eyes. It just really makes our eyes pop and makes it look really beautiful, sultry, and really sexy. Now for blush, I'm using this beautiful color from the Dolce & Gabbana collection, and I'm using my hands to contour to make my cheekbones really pop out. Now if you're getting value from this, don't forget to like and subscribe, sending good energy your way. Now onto lips, we'll use a red lip liner and we're gonna line our bottom lips and then we'll do the top. We wanna make sure that the lip liner and the lipstick is the same shade of red because we really want the lips to pop with a very cherry and beautiful red color. And then we'll blot that on and then we'll grab our finger so that we can just blot that even more, just very natural and very pretty. And we'll just really make sure that that color stays on nicely. Now to set our makeup, we're going to use this translucent powder from ZC. I absolutely love this powder because it doesn't leave my skin cakey. I'm still able to have that beautiful glow. And we're going to bring it all the way down to our neck, down to our cheeks, our nose, and our forehead. And then we're just gonna make sure that we have it all over our skin, anywhere that's shiny. And then of course, I can't forget highlighter. This one is from Too Faced. Isn't this beautiful? And we're gonna put this on our cheeks, and then we're gonna put it on the bridge of our nose, making sure to get it right on the tip. And then look how everything has just come together. It's just a very beautiful glow that I absolutely love. This year, I'm gonna be doing a lot more bold colors, especially in my makeup. Are there any makeup trends that you guys are gonna be trying this year? Now, because nails are always a must, we have to have French or red nails, no exceptions. And then we're gonna get some earrings, preferably hoops. They have to be gold or silver, and they have to be diamond or a very large gemstone. And we're gonna put those on. And then for hair, you guys, I haven't straightened my hair in years. And I had to do it for this look and I'm loving it. I really made sure that it was really voluptuous and just long and beautiful. And then we're going to have an all black attire with a fur black coat or a leopard. And then we're gonna style up our hair. And yes, this is the final look. I hope that you guys absolutely love this mob wife inspired look. Te amo. Mwah!